Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply, where we bring the charm of historical design to your doorstep with our premium solid brass hardware. Today, we're exploring the fascinating histories and enduring appeal of three iconic types of door knockers: pineapple, the Dr. Knocker, and lion. Let's begin with the pineapple door knocker. This design hails from colonial America and Europe, where the pineapple was a symbol of rare luxury and exceptional hospitality. During the 17th and 18th centuries, the pineapple was a coveted fruit, often reserved for special occasions and high-status gatherings. Displaying a pineapple on your door was a way to signify that guests were warmly welcomed and that the host enjoyed a position of affluence. Our reproduction pineapple door knockers are crafted from solid brass and come in several finishes, allowing you to bring a touch of historical elegance to your home while benefiting from brass's renowned durability and beauty. Next, let's delve into the Dr. Door Knocker. Also known as doctor's knockers, this specific style was traditionally associated with the professional offices and residences of doctors in 18th and 19th century Britain. These door knockers were commonly found on the doors of physicians, surgeons, and apothecaries. Over time, they have come to symbolize not only a professional presence but also reliability and tradition. Featuring designs like the mortar and pestle or the rod of Asclepius, these knockers reflect the esteemed role of medical practitioners. Our antique reproduction Dr. Door knockers are made from solid brass, offering both timeless style and robust construction. With various finishes available, these knockers provide functionality and a nod to the rich history of medicine. Finally, let's talk about the lion door knocker. Lions have long been symbols of power, courage, and nobility. In ancient Greece and Rome, lions were associated with deities and were often used in architectural decor to signify strength and protection. By the medieval period in Europe, lion motifs had become a hallmark of heraldry and aristocracy, marking the homes of noble families. Our lion door knockers, crafted from solid brass, capture this historical grandeur and provide an enduring symbol of protection for your home. Available in multiple finishes, these door knockers combine historical significance with the lasting appeal of high-quality brass. At Antique Hardware Supply, we pride ourselves on offering high-quality solid brass reproductions of these historic door knockers. Solid brass ensures durability and a timeless look that will enhance the charm of your home for years to come. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of antique hardware.